What's up everybody, it's KelseeBrianaJai here with a review and a try on test using the new Anastasia Dream palette. Oh my goodness, did you see that beam on my cheek when I turned? And do you see this beam and reflectiveness of this palette packaging? So I ordered this from AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. It retails for $45. This is the newest launch from her line. And if you guys know Anastasia, you know she is famous for her glow kits, among many other things. I have so many of her glow kits. I have the regular glow kits, I have the Sweets glow kit, the Nicole Guerriero glow kit, and of course the Aurora and Moonchild glow kit. So this one is the newest lineup. It's a little bit different than any of the other ones that she's released in the past. These are identified as metallic powder highlighters for intense luminosity, and she was not kidding when she said it. The description on her website says that this is a powder highlighting kit featuring 6 ultra reflective shades with multi-dimensional sparkle. The packaging indicates what's inside this palette. So of course I have it on now. I'm going to try on all the shades for you guys. In this palette there's a total weight of 4.5 grams or 0.16 ounces each in each pan. As per usual, you have the removable casing and then we're left with the palette. Again, the palette has the same exact design. I love holographic stuff. You open it up, there's no mirror, but there's still a hologram. It's still blinding. These are actually slightly bigger than the Moonchild and Aurora glow kits. These have 0.15 ounces of product each, and this one has 0.16, but they look way bigger in the pan. Each one of these highlighters have either a pink or a purple iridescence to them, but they all look unique on their own on my skin. These are traditional type highlighters, so you can feel the glittery texture to them. This glitter, it actually works with the product and it's gonna make that highlight even more reflective. This is Sunshine and Regal mixed together with no spray, and that's what it looks like on its own merit. So I'm really impressed with the formulation of these. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, okay, does it look like the Aurora glow kit? Like, the packaging is kind of similar, but to me the Aurora glow kit wasn't holographic. It just had different type colors, so there's no real shift in the colors of the Aurora glow kit. So what it looks like in the pan is just what it is, versus the Dream glow kit. Like, these colors look one way in the pan and they swatch completely different. I feel like this one definitely has more dimension to it than the Aurora glow kit. And in comparison to the Moonchild glow kit, I feel like the Moonchild glow kit is more iridescent. It has like an icier hue to it, versus these, I feel like these are actually holographic. I honestly don't think there's any comparing these palettes. I will be wearing this all summer. Every time I'm going somewhere, I'm putting this on my face. Like, I love it. I feel like these colors complement my complexion. I feel like this palette will work for so many different skin tones, light to dark. I feel like it looks really good with a lot of different looks. I can wear it like with makeup I have on now, very simplistic, and this will be the pop. Or I can wear it like at nighttime and be glowing in the dark. I turned off that light. Do you see how that looks in the dark? I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the demonstration. That way you guys can see me apply this glow kit on my skin. So enjoy. Start off by trying on Wish. This is a Goss number 15 fan brush. Very pretty. That's a beautiful color. Really nice iridescence. It shows up a whole lot more pink on me than I thought it was going to. It's really pretty and reflective. Next, I'm going to try the color Unicorn. Now this one is going on straight up pinky / purple, exactly like what the color is looking like in the palette. That's freaking pretty. That looks really beautiful. I love that purple shift that it has. Here's what it looks like in comparison to Wish. Now I'm going to try on the color Magic. All of these have like a little bit of pinkiness to them. I did not expect this at all, but it's definitely going on that way. That is tripping me out. It's like a silver cast of pink. I did not think it was gonna look that way. This is this color. Like, it looks like it's gonna go on silver. I'm gonna try on the color Ethereal. This one looks like how it looks in the pan. These look very similar. This one definitely is more purple. This one definitely has more of a pink shift. But the base of this is more purple. Next, I'm going to dip into the color Sunshine. Okay, this one is going on really pretty. That looks really pretty. It's like wet looking. I like the way that gold is popping through. And lastly, I'm going to try on the color Regal. This one is like a rose gold with that purple shift to it. It's like got that nice shift. It's like rose gold and purple and gold and orange. I really like that one. These last two have that wet glistening effect to them. I really like them. So let me clean up my makeup and I'll be right back. These highlighters are absolutely not for the faint of heart. Each and every single one is super holographic and blinding. Like, this is not photoshopped. This is not wet. This is not a test. This is a serious holographic like highlighter. The shift in these highlighters, I said shift with an F. The shift in these highlighters is like nothing to play with. But this just might be my favorite holographic unicorn festival type palette ever, because this is bomb. Like, okay, let me know if you plan on getting this palette. I know there's a lot that are out there on the market, but trust me, these are beautiful. I've not seen any that are this iridescent. So if you have not already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.